Okay guys, today we're gonna open up the Steam NOOR RoboCar kit. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so
It
let's
looks so
open this
cool.
up. Yeah, it does look cool. Okay, so what do we have here? Wow, so first thing we got here is the project board. We got a breadboard and a battery. So let's go ahead and get out the first stuff to put on it. Okay, so first we got the Arduino Mega and the shield. So we're gonna put the Arduino Mega here and the shield on top. Wow,
Okay.
Sophia, what do you got there?
I have the sensors and they're really easy to put on. Look.
Wow. Okay, next, what do we need next?
We need the ultrasound sensor with a servo motor.
Wow, okay. So let's
just put that right
see what
here.
else.
Very easy to put in.
And then we also got the stand for this. And the
For
rest
the
of the
wheels.
stuff is the wheels and the stuff to make the RoboCar.
The wire.
Let's make the RoboCar now, guys.
Yeah. Wait, Susan, you forgot one thing.
Oh my god, we forgot about the LCD screen. Okay, so we gotta use this. And we're gonna make the RoboCar now, guys. So let's get right to it.
After building this up and putting in the code, we finally completed our RoboCar using the